Elves Are the Worst by Alex Willan. You know, goblins are an important part of many celebrations throughout the year, like Pigeon Plucking Day, the Great Sock Slug Race, and, of course, Taco Tuesdays. But there is one group of magical creatures that hogs all the holiday spotlight. Now, I know what you are going to say. Elves are so hardworking and so perfect. We goblins are just as hardworking as any elf. Why, just today I watered all my plants, caught up on some knitting, and made another attempt at perfecting my brambleberry pie recipe, and I still had time to develop a new spell that turns candy canes into kitty canes. Don't tell anyone, but the magic word is ooble-ca-dooble. Meanwhile, elves spend all their time hanging out inside trees baking cookies, or pouring bowl after bowl of the world's loudest cereal, or lounging around all day on various shelves. Goblins can sit on shelves. In my defense, that shelf was not structurally sound. And don't even get me started on the elves at Santa's workshop. First of all, I think it's pretty clear that they copied my style. So what if they are always having epic slumber parties? Chicken and I have slumber parties, and while Chicken might get a little too competitive at pillow fighting, we do look awfully cool in our matching PJs. I mean, how hard is it to be one of Santa's elves? If you think that a bunch of elves are so perfect, just wait till you see what one amazing goblin can do. Step 1. Look after a few flying deer. Step 2. Wrap a few boxes. Okay, that could have gone better, but I think I will more than prove myself in the third and most important step: making the perfect toy. See, it's as easy as could. Wait a minute. My hammer! My collar! Oh no! I'm going down! Ooble-ca-dooble. Okay, so maybe an elf's job is harder than it looks. Elves believe in the power of toys. Teamwork optimizes your success. And it turns out they aren't perfect, they are just really good at working together as a team. Now, that's more like it. We even teamed up together to work on my brambleberry pie recipe, which in the end turned out to be perfect for sharing. Who cares if I wasn't great at the whole toy making thing? I don't like toys that much anyway. On second thought,